Listen to the spelling words as I read them aloud and type them one at a time as you hear them into the spaces below. Here are the Lesson 8 spelling words. Number 1, report. Report. I haven't finished my report yet. Report. Number 2, climate. Climate. The climate here is very cold. Climate. Number 3, future. Future. The team's future looks very good. Future. Number 4, robot. Robot. Does that robot clean the house for you? Robot. Number 5, tiger. Tiger. This tiger comes from India. Tiger. Number 6, lemon. Lemon. Please make my favorite lemon cake for my birthday. Lemon. Number 7, limit. Limit. What's the speed limit here? Limit. Number 8, linen. Linen. Lisa wore a linen dress to the party. Linen. Number 9, panel. Panel. There's a dent on this panel. Panel. And number 10, valid. Valid. Is this coupon still valid? Valid. If you need any of the words repeated, please repeat this recording.